9. Coffee bag planter pots. Coffee bag pots are fantastic for many reasons. They are made from recycled materials and are weather resistant and biodegradable as well. Probably the best feature, though, is that you can make them yourself in less than half an hour. The result looks extraordinary in any corner, giving your decor a natural feel as well as an original touch. 10. Paint planters. If you have artistic skills, you can choose to make your own DIY planters with eye-catching fresh coat designs on them. Old paint cans are most handy when it comes to making planters, and you can use their smooth surface either to do something like this, or you can glue on some vivid colored fabric. 11. Chalkboard paint terracotta pots. If you don't really want to change your old terracotta pot planters but you still need to change something about them, this is going to be just the thing for you. Using some chalkboard paint and some crazy templates, you can revive your old terracotta pots. On the new terracotta pot surface created, you can simply write the plant's name, or have some fun with funny drawings on the old planter's pots. 12. DIY water trough planter. A water trough planter isn't really very common. That's probably because these items are considerably more expensive than a normal planter of roughly the same size. And, because these things were designed to hold water, to make a planter you would have to puncture holes in them. 13. Brick succulent planters. Another thing that you might never have thought of is represented by these brick planters. These natural and durable building materials provide a very cool contrast to elegant succulent plants. Used bricks work even better because they have a bit of personality and history behind them. Let's not forget the costs either, because if they are used, they were probably thrown away, so they are free. The tricky part is to drill the holes. It's not difficult, but you'll have to be very patient, because any shock could shatter the brick. 14. DIY chevron patterned reclaimed wood planter box. This particular wooden box planter houses an avocado tree. The interesting fact about this planter is that its sides are made from reclaimed wood in a very playful, eye-catching chevron pattern. This delightful planter is a great candidate for a garden project. You should get started. 15. DIY drip planters. DIY drip planters are great if you are a free spirit who loves color. Spilling paint when painting your walls is bad, but intentionally spilling paint over some traditional pots is actually a very cool decoration for any porch. Wherever this idea came from, the result is fantastic.